The establishment of British rule in India was a gradual process that unfolded over several centuries. Here are the key phases and events that marked this development. Early trading and establishment spanning from the 1600s to the 1700s. In 1600, the British East India Company, or EIC, was founded with a royal charter from Queen Elizabeth I, allowing it to trade in the East Indies. Then, in 1608, the EIC established its first factory, or trading post, at Surat. By 1615, Sir Thomas Roe had secured trading rights from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Moving into the early 1700s, the EIC expanded its operations, establishing major trading centres in Madras, now known as Chennai, Bombay, which is now Mumbai, and Calcutta, today called Kolkata. Expansion and conquest covering the period from the 1700s to 1858. The Battle of Plassey in 1757 saw Robert Clive lead the EIC forces to victory against the Nawab of Bengal, marking the beginning of British political control in India. In the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the EIC defeated the combined forces of the Mughal Emperor, the Nawab of Bengal, and the Nawab of Awadh, securing control over Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. The Regulating Act of 1773 marked the British government beginning to exert control over the EIC's activities, appointing a Governor-General to oversee its territories in India. Pitt's India Act of 1784 further consolidated British control by establishing a board of control to oversee EIC operations. The Anglo-Mysore Wars, spanning from 1767 to 1799, were a series of conflicts with the Kingdom of Mysore, leading to British dominance in southern India. Finally, the Anglo-Maratha Wars from 1775 to 1818 were a series of conflicts with the Maratha Empire, culminating in British control over large parts of central India. Consolidation of British rule from 1858 to 1947. The Indian Rebellion of 1857 was a major uprising against the East India Company rule, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny, which was brutally suppressed. The Government of India Act of 1858 saw the British Crown taking direct control of India from the East India Company, establishing what came to be known as the British Raj. The formation of the Indian National Congress in 1885 marked the beginning of organised Indian political resistance to British rule. The partition of Bengal in 1905 was a controversial move by the British, which was later reversed due to widespread protest. During World War I, from 1914 to 1918, India contributed significantly to the British war effort, leading to increased demands for self-governance. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms of 1919 introduced limited self-governance in India. The Government of India Act of 1935 expanded provincial autonomy, but fell short of granting full independence. In World War II, from 1939 to 1945, India again played a crucial role, and post-war, the demand for independence intensified. Finally, India gained independence from Britain on August 15, 1947, leading to the partition of India and Pakistan. Throughout this period, British economic policies and land revenue systems had profound impacts on Indian society and economy, setting the stage for significant social and political changes.